Hello everyone, this is Howlet Swing. I just wanted to say I'm sorry for my long absence. I've just had quite a few things going on, and I wasn't really in the mood to watch or make videos. But I did go online a few days ago and saw that I had quite a few new subscribers, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my videos. I really hope that they help you guys as much as it helps me. I've had some really bad anxiety lately, and ASMR videos have been a godsend. But yeah, so I wanted to start off by saying that I had a request quite a few months back asking for a soft-spoken video with lighting and blowing out candles matches. And since it's winter here in New Hampshire, I kind of wanted to combine that with making a fire, which is a very therapeutic thing for me. So as you can see, the fire is already going. I'm hoping it's not too bright. I personally don't really like bright things in my ASMR videos. I feel like it's a little distracting, so I'm hoping it's not too bad. It's kind of a small fire, but if it is, do let me know and I'll try to make a better video. So yeah. So for one thing, fire is a very therapeutic thing for me. Ever since I was a kid, it's been like fascinating to me, I guess is a good word. My gram used to have a beautiful wood stove, and well, she still does, but it was like this very big wood stove, and there was a glass window, and so when she would light fires and stuff, we would actually be able to watch it burn, and it was just like so therapeutic. We just sit there and just watch the fire, my cousins and I. Especially like family get-togethers, because we used to all get together around Christmas time, and we'd build like this nice giant fire, and we'd just sit there after like we'd been playing outside all day, and she'd make us hot cocoa over the top of the stove. And there's nothing better than like a stovetop hot cocoa. But yeah, so when I was thinking of ideas of what to do for a video, I was really excited about this request because, like I said, it's just one of my favorite things. I love the smell of burning matches. I love watching the smoke curl. There's just something just so therapeutic about it, at least to me. We used to go camping, my family and I, when we were kids, and that was like one of the most fun things, like building the fire, and we actually got to help build the fire, which was always so exciting, because my dad would never let us do that. So we'd get to build the fire, and then we'd collect our little marshmallow sticks and roast marshmallows and have s'mores. It just brings up a lot of good memories for me. You guys probably think I'm a pyro, but I assure you, I really am not. So it's been so long since I've made a video. I hope you guys all had wonderful holidays and got to spend some time with your families. And I'd like to apologize for any traffic noise you might hear. School is out, and I live on a busy road, so there's a lot of traffic right now, but I'm hoping that since I'm in a different room, it's a little less distracting than it might have been in the past, but unfortunately there's not too much that I can do about that. So I guess I should probably mention why I've been kind of out of sorts lately. I've been trying to get into the career that I went to school for, which is biology, and what I really want to do is either work in like rehabilitation or even field work and just study animals in their natural habitat. And it's just been so hard just to not only find a job in that field, but to find a job in general is insane right now. But hopefully something will come up in the near future. So, needless to say, I needed to make a video not only for you guys, but also for myself, just to kind of relax and de-stress a little bit. And I apologize that it's taken so long, but hopefully you guys will enjoy this one. I'm not really a soft-spoken kind of person. I usually just like to make the noises and stuff like that, so I'm hoping that you guys like this, but if you don't, you can tell me. My dog is whining. I locked her out of this room and she's not happy about it. Hopefully you guys can't hear her, but I definitely can. I like the noise of the matchsticks rubbing together too. That's kind of a new thing for me. I never really noticed it before, but it's kind of a nice sound, along with the sound of the box. It's like the best thing about ASMR. I never know what triggers I'm gonna find until I start playing with things, and so I'm always kind of curious about other people's triggers and how they discovered that they had ASMR. So if you guys want to make any requests or just chit chat a little bit, I'm always welcome to new ideas. And like the more specific you are in your requests, the better I can accommodate you. The one thing that I probably won't do, but I don't know, never say never, I guess, but the only thing I probably wouldn't do are close-ups, just because I kind of like the allure of never really seeing the artist's face, so I guess if I had enough requests, I might do it, but for now, I just kind of like being in the background. But if you guys have any requests at all, do let me know. This one's a dead one. So over the weekend, we got about 2 feet of snow in the course of like a day, maybe a day and a half. And there are like gigantic snowbanks right now, so it's to the point where you can't even see around them. So if you hear squealing of tires, it's probably because people are peeling out, which kind of is annoying, but oh well. It's kind of exciting. We haven't really had a good snowstorm in quite a few years, so I think this is the most snow that we've had in a winter for like 5 years, maybe even longer, which is kind of sad, but I'm personally not a winter person, but I'd kind of rather have a nice, harsh winter just to kill all the bugs. Ticks were awful this season, and we have a lot of problems with bears too if they don't have a good hibernation period, so I'm hoping that this year it will be a good year. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke from the matches, but I like the soothingness of it, watching it curl. I hope it's showing up for you guys. Kind of feel like I'm camping right now. kind of like the sound of putting a lit match in water too, so I might do that for my next video if you guys like this. I'm kind of zoning out right now. Oh my goodness. I'm such a pyro. So this was probably one of my very first, I don't know, introductions to ASMR, I guess. I didn't really know what it was when I first got it, but it's the first experience I had with like head tingles. Just the lighting and blowing out of matches. So it's kind of exciting that it's my very first request, so. So hypnotic. Hoping it's relaxing for you guys like it is for me. Oh, hit the thingy. Alrighty, I think I'm running out of matches, so I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I've enjoyed making it.